welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those that are new, welcome and join the family. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video. Also, before I get into this video, thank you so much to all the supporters so far. The last time in my probably like a month ago or 4 weeks ago, when I still thanked all the supporters, the subscribers basically, and then there was only 12 and now I have 41 I think, or 43, I'm not sure, but thank you so much guys. I'm so appreciative. Thank you so much. So for today's video, I am going to show you how I do my curls at home. Basically, I don't do my hair with a curler, I do my hair with a flat iron. For those of you who don't know what the flat iron is, we call it a flat iron here in South Africa, but it's a straightener basically. So first things first, if I want to make curls on a Sunday, basically if I go to church, then I will wash my hair the Thursday already, because the third day basically, if I wash it the Thursday, then it's Friday, Saturday and Sunday. So my hair will be like a bit oily but not too dirty, so then the curls is, then it's basically perfect. So what I do is I section my hair into 3 sections. I will show you now. Also, you are probably wondering why my hair is so thick. I made curls this morning for church, and then I decided when I came at home I'm going to film this video. Then I have to first straighten my hair again quick with this brush I have. Oh, I'm loving this thing. I will never ever go back to a hair dry again, no offense, but oh, this is so quick and easy. So this will be my first section. Put it in a pom-pom, or I will just use a bobby pin, and then I will section this into 2 halves. So this will be the first section that I will start with. So I will show you first a few sections slowly how I do it, and when I get to the bottom part, this top part, I mean here, this I do last. So I first do this section, then this section, and then I leave this for last. Now most people will curl here, they will curl it inward, and a few sections they will curl the other way, so that it doesn't create like a big wave basically. So it will be like curls, like strands on its own. Now I don't like it that way. I like my hair thick and voluminous. It must be just, so I curl my hair one way this way, this side, and this side this way. I will show you guys now. Also, my pieces is not too thick. Depending on if you're running late or something, then you can take thicker pieces. Also depending on what straightener you have. I have a regular straightener, a regular babblers, because I don't believe in too much heat on your hair, because basically it's not good for your hair at all. So let me show you how I start basically. I will keep it like probably like a few seconds, and then I will let go. Throw to the back. Next section. I don't use a comb. The comb is here just in case, but I don't always use a comb. I will use my fingers, because if I use a comb I can't feel how thick the hair is, but if I use my hands I can actually feel how thick it is and how thin it is. Then I know if I have to take more hair or not. There we go. Another section the same way. I will pull it down until you see this here. Watch where the hair stops, and then you roll it in, and then I will keep it there a few seconds. Depending on how hot your flat iron is, then you will know how long to keep it or not. but this flatten is not too hot, but it's decent, so I will keep it like a few seconds. Okay, so now we're gonna run through this piece only the same way, just quicker. Also guys, before I continue, I forgot to say, when, I'm not going to say if, but when I reach 50 subscribers, I'm going to do a challenge with my boyfriend again, where it's an old challenge but it looks as if they are renewing it again, and I would love to do this challenge. I think it will be super funny. It's when I transform my boyfriend into me. So basically his hair is going to have to be straight, he's going to have makeup on, the works. So stay tuned for that. Don't forget to subscribe. And also, one of my subscribers commented and said I have to do a mukbang with my boyfriend. I'm planning on doing a mukbang very soon. Then I will add, like in the video I will add like a get to know me tag, basically, because for you guys that want to get to know me better, by all means. So when we do the mukbang, then I'm gonna do plus get to know me, so then at least we can speak and chit chat basically. So that is one challenge, and for the 50 subscribers I will be doing the transforming my boyfriend into me. So stay tuned. That is the first half, and then you do basically the same thing to this half, but just inwards this way around. Can you guys see? Same technique, just this way around. it comes to the front of here, guys, just watch what I do with the flat iron. I first create that curve here, and then I bring it down, and then I watch where the point, where the ends of my hair end before it falls out of the flat iron, and then I will bring it in. So this is especially if you come to the front. So I will turn the flat iron to make that basically curl dent, and then I will bring it out like that, and then I will roll it in. Keep it a few seconds, then bring it out. There we go. Same thing. Bam. I will take a small bobby pin and do this. Put it in like this, just to keep it out of my face. And then, this is the important part for me personally. I leave this last. I will show you one piece. I will do it slowly, and then I will do it all the way to the front to create that big curl here in front. Curl it in with the rest of the hair. I will do the same with this piece. I'll show you. Curl it, bring it down, watch your hair, roll it in. But you must have a firm grip on your flat iron or straightener. So I will do all of this here like that quickly. Okay guys, now I will pull it apart. Okay guys, so basically now I will pull out my hair. I will pull the curls out, and then I will put in some firm old spray. And then I'll add in firm hold from Avon. So, depending on how the section look, I will normally pin it up. I'll take a small little on the brush, and then I will do this just to make the baby nice. And then do this. Before I put the bobby pin in, I will first do this to make sure that the curls is right. I'll take a small bobby pin. I will put it in there. Add some earrings. Guys, you can basically play around with however you want to do, but that is basically how I do my curls at home with my straightener. I do have thick hair, so if your hair is a bit thinner, try to take thinner pieces to make it more, and then you can leave out the bobby pin on this side to make it more. But guys, that is it for this video. On the side, like I said, you have to pull it out until you decide how you want it. So that is it for this video, guys. That is how I do my curls at home. Like I said, I will do it 3 days before the time. So I will wash my hair the Thursday, and then I will curl my hair the Sunday morning before church. So I will basically like get up an extra 30 minutes before the time, just so I have enough time for my makeup and for my hair and all of that. So that's all I do. Section it into 3 pieces. Like I showed you how I twist the flat iron. That's all I do. I don't do it separate ways because I want it to have like this big wave basically. And the firm hold helps to keep in the curls longer, so I won't drag my fingers through my hair too much. So I don't want the curls to go out, because sometimes my curls doesn't last, and then it's just wavy in church. And it also depends on the weather. So basically you can add a good amount of firm hold spray. Like I said, guys, for my 50 subscribers I will do the challenge, so please stay tuned. Also, if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment and share. And until next time, guys, also comment below, guys. Speak to me. I would love to speak to you guys. But until next time,